The second unique attribute of a Bushtec trailer is our wheel and tire combination. It's a 16-inch diameter, so it earns fewer RPMs as compared to a smaller 12-inch wheel. It features sealed bearings, so it doesn't have to have the bearings repacked. And in total, the wheel and tire weighs 17 pounds. That's half of what our competitors' trailer tires weigh. By reducing the unsprung rotational weight, we're going to see a significant reduction in rotational resistance and the inertial resistance under acceleration and braking. That's the second unique thing about a Bushtec trailer.